Right, it's really not. Alright, y'all. Alright, guys. You always do this when you're in the back seat. That's backseat energy. And Bri.
And it's Ash.
And it's Bri. And today, I get to do the intro. You gonna let me do it for the one time? For the one time, she gonna let me do it, y'all. Anyways. Oh, and Mama C, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
So today we just gonna do a little ripping and running. Just like last time. Just like last vlog.
As usual.
Just like our last vlog. Just like usual.
Now you gonna wait
I can't
until,
speak today.
You know what?
So right now, where we finna go?
None of your business.
None of your business. They need to know. Otherwise, they gonna be like, "Oh no, I'm not ready for this
None of their business.
Right? You can't be cursing on here. You can't be cursing on here.
Who said I was gonna curse?
You was finna say a bad word.
A bad word is not necessarily a curse word.
So that mean I can say bad words.
No, it doesn't.
It's not a curse word.
I don't care. You're not wrong. You don't have those privileges. That's it.
Y'all need to tell the people that. You don't need to tell them.
They need to know.
They don't need to know that. They don't.
Yes.
Y'all don't need.
All of y'all need to know.
I'm just gonna edit this part out. Cause they don't. Y'all don't.
Don't
need
you
to
edit? No. They've been trying to edit me out of all the videos. No.
We don't be trying to edit her out, y'all. The light look good down here. Then you get up here. Let me see. And it's just this. We don't be trying to edit her out, y'all.
Okay, I'm not going in. I need somebody to fix my coffee.
Coffee?
Yes. I need coffee.
You need coffee. I need coffee. Sorry if the camera jiggling. The car a little jiggly.
Ooh!
It's a good car. Ashley back there like just doing
Mom,
stuff.
can we get some Dairy Queen?
I'm not editing
Mama,
this.
can I go in your purse and get
Y'all love it when I record. Y'all love it.
Yes.
Because Ashley, when she records, she's be like, yeah, so, yeah, so,
Girl, no, I
yeah.
don't.
Yes, you do. Tell her, y'all. Because when I record, it go crazy. It go, my energy, I got front seat energy. I got front seat energy.
You know what I'm saying? It go
Front
crazy.
seat, stay in the back. Please.
Go crazy.
Tell her to stay in the back, y'all. Because people in the back, that's a nice RV. And they got a nice car. They rich.
Girl,
You know what?
That's
I don't
a
have
rental.
time for
They
you.
rich. That is not a rental. Rentals don't have that thing. You know you rich when you got an RV and a nice car in the
You
back.
don't have to edit it. So,
Mama C order.
I need a large coffee. You know what? I should fix my own coffee.
Yeah, because you know how you like it. So just.
She just said she didn't want to go in. I got you.
It's
Say
alright.
what you want your coffee
Okay.
order.
So you know how I like my regular. How would you fix my coffee?
Okay, so for one, I'll put creamer. No, I will put those two. You like that strong stuff, the 2 extra caffeines. And you like 3 of the regular creamers. Am I right?
Yes.
And then you do the regular brew, and then you do the other strong brew, and then you put creamer in there and sugar.
Okay. So it's a little different this time. Okay. So you put the cream and the sugar
The cream and the sugar.
and the caffeine shots.
The 2 caffeine shots.
That's normal.
That's normal.
This is where it gets tricky.
Okay.
So they have a white caramel mocha or white caramel something, white chocolate something
Okay. White.
in the cappuccino machine.
Okay.
And they also have a French vanilla.
Okay.
Mix it like half and half with that. Hit it with a shot of the Colombian coffee. Stir it up. That's it.
So you want, okay, so you're going to have only a shot of coffee in there. And then you're going to have the rest like, okay, I got you. Okay. Watch this, y'all. I'm about to do it perfect.
Now, this better have been the best drink she ever tasted. I swear, this better be the best drink she ever tasted.
Anyways, like she said, I made that perfect, like on point perfect. And yeah, because.
Is it necessary?
Right, it's really
Is
not.
it
That's because people. Oh, I just spit. I'm sorry, but I got you these chips. I was gonna get you some Lay's, but I obviously didn't eat the last Lay's.
Not today. But I appreciate it, son. I thank you very much.
Y'all heard that? I did perfect. I put. Okay, so I don't know if this.
Did y'all hear how loud that little Jeep was?
Don't do that Jeep because I want a Jeep. I got you these chips though.
She wanted to hope.
No, I want a Jeep now. I mean, I still want that. Like, it push come to shove, but I do want a Jeep. She said it was perfect, so I put French vanilla in there. I put the white. It was white chocolate caramel or something like that. I put two strong things, And
Mom,
I
can
was
I
sitting
taste
there.
strong tea.
Oh my God, son. Here.
And then what else did I put in there? I put the French vanilla creamer or vanilla creamer, and then I put 2 of the things because I couldn't figure out which one you said, Columbia or roast. So I just put both of them in there.
that's not food here, but it's okay.
I don't even want to drink out this no more because y'all got cooties.
Who is y'all? You don't even want to drink?
Mama and him drank out of it. You got cooties too.
Yo,
So she don't think y'all been asking for more Mama C, but in reality,
She gonna get told.
in reality, we need more Mama C because
Ooh, she gonna press the record. Okay.
look at that beautiful face. Y'all should see what she wearing today. She look smixy. She wearing some cute stuff today. So we're gonna have to, call whoever she gonna see.
Did you?
Not in front of the camera. Wait a minute. She just said she wanted y'all to see me getting beat on by her. So
That I will do it.
we at the store now. And they're taking forever to get out the car. Out the car. Not even in the store. Out the car. Tell them how you taking forever to get out the car. I'm just playing.
in the middle of the street. I look a hot mess.
Girl, they haven't heard from you today.
Cause I've been in the backseat cause Brianna would call herself on the
Yeah,
front.
that's because she drove today. If you drive one day, then that mean I get to sit in the front.
No,
I didn't get to drive. She like about to be 19.
I didn't even really
her
drive.
birthday.
All I did
Her
was-
birthday is exactly a month and 2 days from now, so you already
all I
know
did was
December
pull
5th.
the car.
Dang, keep pulling up close.
That's what I'm
Dang,
saying.
people is rude in Arizona. I'm showing you. I'm exposing you. Showing them what you done got. Snap peek. Can I taste one?
Ain't nobody tell you to try it, pimp. Ain't nobody tell you to
You
try
you gonna have to hold that pimp. That's disgusting. Pimp. Want me to close them? Yeah, you don't like them either, do you? Don't get this, y'all. Saying bad words.
Okay. I'm gonna try something else.
That was nasty.
Give me my banana chips.
Can I taste that too?
I know what those taste like.
I know what these taste like too, but the dollar store brands is different.
In case y'all forgot about me, I'm in the back.
Yeah, back to you. It's not bad. Yeah, they sweet.
I bought some stuff too with the money that I earned.
Share your stuff.
Okay, so I got this bucket that I did not need, but I wanted. I also got a basket for myself because I got Bri one. I got this little thing that say "Live Happy" that
She
I
don't
know
need
what
it.
I'm gonna use it for. I got a handheld mirror for when I do a little shum.
That's Kiara again.
Cedric.
She said you said the argan oil?
Yeah, that one's
The argan oil will stink.
Y'all do this.
I'm not ghetto.
Baby, I
These
just
probably
built
good too.
I was trying to get a Sprite out of there, but they didn't have none. All they had was Pepsi's.
You know everybody, once you see like some good at the dollar store, be wiped out within like the first week.
I should get all that from Lego.
The dollar store go crazy. Y'all sleeping on the dollar store. A lot of people sleep on the dollar store. We do it cheap over here. Sometimes. You eat so classy. You put your big hand like this. You said,
Thank you.
y'all see how she worked that like that?
See who texted me. I can't.
Who texting you? Oh no, Foxy is back to sleep. Feed him now. From Point Master. Your fingerprint on mama's phone? Huh? That energy.
I don't care.
You do care.
No, I don't.
She acts like I can't speak today, dude. Like I just said this like 4 times. She do care. She act like she don't care, but she do. Look at her back there in the back seat. Wait, let me cup your face. Put your face towards here. I hope I'm cupping it.
You're lucky I can't do what I want to do. Oh really? Oh.
Big that. Cause I don't care.
Okay, Nicole.
Oh, they like calling me Nicole, but she pretty. So big that. She is rude. That's what she is. She rude. She always just rude.
She be beating up us. She put her hands on us.
Yeah, she putting her hands on us. She be telling us that she gonna beat us up.
Cool.
Ashley. You too? No, I'm just playing.
Yeah, I thought you was.
Let me tell y'all a little something about patience. I don't have it, but I'm gonna teach y'all about it because I'm a hypocrite. Sometimes, not all the time. Just when it comes to patience and a lot of stuff. Not really. You need to be patient in life. What's the saying? You don't know the saying either. But you need to be patient in life to get what you want. It's something like that. I'm just summing it up, you know.
Patience is a virtue.
Something like that, you know. Just patience. Patience is the key to life. And what's another key to
There's a
life?
whole phrase there.
Do unto others as is done unto you. No, that's not the thing. What is it? I don't know it, but you know, treat others how you like to be treated. I'm not gonna lie, I be breaking that code a little bit sometimes. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Sometimes,
You were raised better than that.
I know. I try and treat people the way I want to be treated, but like some people are just rude, like big rude. So I be like, well, you know, let me
Then
tell you about
just have
yourself.
to change how you interact. Simple. What?
Roll that window up, boy. What I get hit for?
Because I wanted to, because you be tripping.
Y'all see how she be beating on me? I said, Ash should be saying bad words. She be saying bad things. What else you be doing?
And I'm gonna keep on.
And she gonna keep on doing it. That skin, she look red a little bit though. And I'm just like what is it called? The angel child. Because obviously, I'm the best. With our videos, I'm the best. With anything, I'm the best. If y'all haven't noticed that.
All right.
Like the best at a backflip.
I'm the best at a backflip. Oh, you trying to give me some more of your banana chips?
Oh, you like the best at one of the AK-47.
We don't talk about violence on our video channel. Yeah,
I
I'm
need
just.
a cigarette. Can you please pass me my...
But as y'all see, what was that? I'm the best child of them all. I'm so calm. I don't be messing around. I don't be messing with nobody. Can I put this in here real quick, Mom? Oh, I'm sorry. You want me to put that in there too? Sorry about that. I'm like the best child of them all. I'm the nicest child of them all. Can I put this in here real quick? And yeah, so just know that. Just know that. Ashley, who the favorite?
Out of who?
Out of all 3 of us. Girl, she's trying to clown. She pointed to herself, but she's trying to clown right now. I don't even know why she's trying to clown me, because obviously I'm the best.
You know we are the Fantastic Four, right?
We're the Fantastic One because I'm so fantastic. You guys are like normal lame. We're the Fantastic Four.
You know what you have a lot of? You. Nerve. You.
Tell her about herself.
All this smoking, it's smoke. Don't worry about our windows. Don't come in our windows. But look at that. Look at that. Can we appreciate my eye color right now, please? Like, can we just appreciate it? Call me what? Oh! Oh! Baby! I ain't never smelled this over here.
God, can I say it?
No.
Please.
No, what?
Let me say
I'm
it.
recording.
Let me say it.
No.
Please.
What's up, Russia?
I need to say it.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. That came out of nowhere. That smell, like I'm right here trying to show them my eyes, and all of a sudden, it just, woof. It said, No, go doop, not whoop, something like that. Whatever it did it. It did the thing because it stank. Don't move to Arizona. Well, don't move to Santan, Arizona, wherever y'all at. Don't move. Well, it's places in other. Because remember, Maricopa is stank in the morning. It was smelled in the morning. Don't move to Arizona if you don't want to smell the stank.
At night.
And they don't got street lights either, so don't move here if y'all don't. If y'all not ready for it.
When I went to my friend,
Story time. Go ahead, Mom.
that's messed up. Anyway, so I went to my friend's house to play cards. It was in Maricopa, and we were outside barbecuing. Well, it was not barbecue. It was like the little campfire with the s'mores and it was cute. Yeah, and that smell just came out of nowhere. By then I was used to it. I was like, but it still.
I wouldn't have ate nothing. Like that's just.
It still gets you.
It do, cause it smells so bad.
And it's all of a sudden.
They don't give you no like sign. It'd be like cow manure ahead.
Do they sell shea butter
Spike
at
ahead.
Walgreens?
They sell shea butter at Walgreens.
They might.
I don't think that. I never seen it.
Do y'all want to go in and look for me?
We can.
It's getting later and later. We ain't gonna be able to drive too long.
As long as I get to drive a little bit, cause you said I could. Remember you said I could pull the car out last time.
Bree could just
But I
go
never
this
pulled the
time.
car out. Cause she got enough. And look, she just need her license.
That's a boy.
What's up, guys? How you doing, guys? What's up, guys? How
Y'all,
you
I
doing,
look
guys?
hot, man.
What's up,
I
guys?
scratched my face because my mama ran over a bump, and it's cold in here. What was I gonna say? Yeah, but she went in the store and she ran over a bump, and I scratched my face. And you're not getting one. And where are we going?
They don't really care about.
Let's go this way. But we in Walgreens.
She just cursed me out, so I got the camera back again because I don't want that type of energy on our YouTube channel. No, you don't need that. I don't think they have shea butter. Yeah, I don't even think they have shea butter. It's a lot of stuff. They have black soap though, so I was thinking they should. What it do? How you doing?
I was trying to find some.
What it do? My case broke, so don't be paying attention to that, cause y'all be paying attention
Is the
to
camera on
too
me?
much details. Yeah,
I'm trying to find some
that's the
cheap.
some cheaper oil.
No, what you call it?
Gel?
No.
Hair stuff.
What is
Skin
it called?
stuff.
It's called.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, shampoo. Yeah, I know.
You got a red bump.
That's not a bump. It's
Let me see. You got a mustache.
Girl, your mama got a mustache.
I got it from
Wait, are these like those little things that get bigger in the water, or am I just tripping?
I got it from my
Look it up, like, oh, bro, I want it. Oh wait, no, I don't think this is it.
Show the camera.
He thinks this is cool, but I don't think so.
No, yeah.
Zay,
I just put this last thing.
this baby is so cute, but they don't. I don't even think they have any.
Not for you.
So what the-
Exactly. I already told you. Would you be doing that disrespectful stuff at the house?
Elsa go
pay
crazy.
back.
Well, I'm doing it.
No. What?
She don't
I'm
tell
trying
you
to find those little things that you peel open. What are they called?
Oh, the.
LOL. No, not LOL.
I know what you're talking about. Where they got the little bitty stuff in it.
I think they're in the front.
They said I think they got you from Target.
They in the front too. They come from like anywhere. Yeah. He really trying to get that toy. They upstairs. I mean, they in the front.
Oh, they are.
That's what I saw
I
him
thought
last
y'all
time.
left me.
So she has separation anxiety and she wants me at home because she doesn't like who you talking to. I was asking if I could record you, but you know what? I don't need your permission no more because obviously you go a little slow. Let's go ahead and find Mama. Head out this thing. Okay, well, toys are expensive. Toys are very expensive, okay? Y'all, so he just said $10 is not expensive. That's why is this truck? I hate it when trucks park right next to you and like it's like 10 other spaces. Like, why would you even do that? Like, now I gotta squeeze to get in. Go ahead. But he said $10 not expensive. Boy, that's a 4-piece at Wendy's.
I
thought I messed up my bun. I got my edges back. Sing it, Ashley.
Period. I've been at my edges.
No,
They ain't
honey.
never left.
Which, okay, I was just singing a song. Let's not go there.
I was just saying.
Ashley, when we was talking about, like, when we did our last YouTube channel, tell me what she said. I was like, oh, you said I have nice edges. She said, barely. Like, she rude. She rude.
Somebody, I'm so sorry. Look at my.
Anyways, like I said, before, y'all my favorite and I'm y'all favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. We love you all. Stay true, stay beautiful, stay loyal. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and cut on them post notifications. Look at Braxton. You want to be in a video, don't you? Don't you? Go subscribe to his stuff. Anyways, we love you guys. Stay true, stay beautiful. And yeah, make sure you subscribe.